Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I'm going to show you how to save changes in Visual Studio Code. So let's get started. Start by making changes or edits to your code within Visual Studio Code. To save your changes, manually use the shortcut Ctrl plus S on Windows or Command plus S on Mac. Alternatively, go to File and click on Save. Visual Studio Code offers an autosave feature. To enable it, go to File and click on Autosave. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.